Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to change your Facebook page name on laptop. So let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Facebook page. After you open up your Facebook page, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to settings right here. Click on settings. Then after you click on settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have to scroll down all the way to page setup. Click on page setup, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to view right here. Simply click on view, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on edit. From the name section, click on edit, just like so. This is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on name right here. And then what you want to do is to enter a new name. So I'm going to simply enter a new name straight up. So after you type in the name, next thing you want to do is to simply click on review change. So it's going to open up to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here. Make sure you enter your Facebook login password. So I'm going to simply enter my password. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on request change. Boom. So it's as simple as that. After proper review by Facebook team, they are going to automatically change the page name. So basically, this is how to change your Facebook page name without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Facebook topics like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.